This is what's called a GFCI, ground fault circuit interrupter, and these are Romex wires. So this is what's in 95% of the households around America. So you would take some wiring and you would hook it on into the GFCI. What's it called? A J hook. Take the copper wire, and then the dark screws. You would take the dark with and put a J hook onto the dark screws. These are the light screws. So this is what's called a hot wire. So you would take the hot wire and J hook it, and then it will connect and bring power to the entire, however you wire it and how like you like to wire it. So it's really cool. We learned some different like electrical, very hands-on. We work with tools, and you just choose what you're interested in the most, and then you just go for it. So he introduces you into many things. There's a lot of different sub programs within this program, and then you just whatever interests you the most, and you want to pursue a career in it, you choose that, and then you're on your. He helps you and guides you through the program that you choose.